what's your name?
Andy.
And your occupation?
A professional opera singer. I've always loved you, Louis. Who's Talisa?
She's on holiday still at the minute.
Aye, right, okay.
Would you like to start?
Aye. Io sono la mia Jeremy, mi storia mucho for me, mi story for you.
That was absolutely terrible, Andy, but thanks very much.
Sorry?
Absolutely terrible. Thank you.
What? No!
Off.
No! One more time, and one other one.
Right. Next year. Don't slam the door.
Yes, what you get to do in your name?
I'm Mr. McRae, I'm a history teacher, and I'm going to do a wee bit of magic for you. I'm going to make my lovely assistant here, Mrs. Little, disappear.
She's looking fine today. Carry on.
Okay, so if you just like to go behind the screen, Mrs. Little. And I think it's 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and she will have disappeared. It worked last time.
Next!
It did. Can we try again?
Next, please!
Oh, one more time. One more time. This time we can do it. Believe me, we can do it this time.
I can make my dinner disappear quicker. Next! Thank you, Amy. Don't phone us. Yes, boss.
Hello.
Oh. What's your name?
Donalda McComb.
And your occupation?
Accordion player.
Professional.
Same.
Okay, I'm Sandy.
And I'm going to play Campbell MacDonald's Hopscotch Terrace game.
Thanks very much about that.
You sure?
Yes, very much. Thank you.
Right.
Hi there.
What's your name? What you get to do?
My name is, I've got lots of names.
Okay. What you here to do?
I'm going to do some impressions for you.
You do impressions?
Yeah.
Okay, then carry
Okay,
on.
here's the first one. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And who's that meant to be?
Elvis.
Right, okay, that's your first one.
That's the first one. That's the best one as well.
This should be
Here's
good.
number 2.
Carry on.
You shouldn't have to ask me then. Here we go.
Zola Bid?
No, Michael Jackson.
Alright, okay. Is
That's
there
my
any
third
more?
one. That's my third one.
You've got more.
Look, I am your father.
Right, and who's that?
That was Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
So,
That's
are you
all I've
going to
got.
go far in this competition?
All the way. Number 1.
All the way? Well,
Yeah.
tell you what I'll do you. I'll give you an all the way ticket out that door. Go. Thank you anyway.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Ishmisha Hamish,
And your occupation?
event act.
Okay, Bob. Let's see if you can do that.
Our lives have went full circle, Obi-Wan. Once you were the teacher, and I was but the learner. Now I am the master.
Strike me down, Vader.
and I will become even more powerful than you can ever imagine.
Thank you very much. I will confirm your occupation, please.
Professional violinist.
And your name?
Ivor Menuhin.
Right. So we can start anything. Thanks very much, Ivor. Thanks very much, Ivor.
Okay,
We'll be in touch.
thank you.
Yes, what's your name, what's you here to do?
My name's Stephen Foster, and I'm kind of a singer.
Kind of sing.
Yeah.
Okay then, carry on.
Okay, I feel that I've done this before, but we'll have another go.
You be the judge of that.
Met a girl, thought she was fine. Found out firsthand. Went wild for a week or two. Then it all came unglued. And a trip I can grip. But what I've been the one who'd slip. Then I started to realize I was living one